What's up, guys? Welcome to my full body park workout. Calisthenics, of course. I'm starting off with some explosive muscle ups, and then I focus on technique here. I'm just doing one at a time. When you do a muscle up, you try to swing, use your momentum to pull up, and then push. Doing negatives of this movement really helps on the lower bars. I used to not be able to do a single one, and I would practice with bands non-stop until it got dark. And you just have to keep going. It's a muscle memory thing. It's a strength. You need to be able to at least do a high pull-up to about under your nipples. And then everyone pretty much has the dip strength. But it's just committing to that movement. We're now going to move over to some handstand push-ups. Now, the setup here is kind of awkward, and I wanted to go all the way down, but if I did, I'd slip and fall. I still don't have the best balance, but we're working on it. When you're practicing for a handstand, it's important to try to be on your hands every day and make sure to warm up your wrists and just hold it as long as you can. If you can't do a handstand push-up yet, you can do pike push-ups, kind of like these. Try to move forward, and you can put a wood chip down and try to touch your nose with it. If you do it on dirt like this, your nose might get a little dirty, but think of the downward dog motion in yoga and just go forward. Right now I'm in a cutting phase, so I'm training probably 3 to 4 times a week, doing 2 days weights, 2 days calisthenics. These are front lever raises. Trying to get my front lever. Once I get tired, I swap to front lever advanced tuck raises. That way you can do a little drop set with calisthenics. Now I'm trying to do a Nordic hamstring curl, sort of a bodyweight leg curl, but this setup is really awkward, and when I can't get my ankles in, and when I end up pushing up, it pushes on my Achilles, so it was really hurting. I tried it a little bit, but I'll train legs harder on my next workout. There's no point hurting yourself. Now, spoiler alert, we're doing dragon flags, and this was also an epic fail. My head was like right on the bar, and the towel didn't give any support, so it felt like my back was getting eaten raw by the grass. I did one, but it's just, like I said again, it's not worth hurting yourself. You can always do something else. I was pretty determined. I tried again, but under that grass there's a metal bar, so my head was on a metal bar. I was just like, you know what? let's try and abs the good old-fashioned way. You can also do an L-sit or knee raises if you don't have the strength to do toe touches. Normally I finish up the workout with chin-ups, but the muscle-ups took a lot out of me and I'm cutting, so my energy is pretty low. Always swap to a slightly easier variation if you're feeling destroyed. It's not worth hurting yourself. I learned that lesson pretty early on. The weather was perfect and the sun on my skin felt amazing. It's really, really nice to just go outside, even in the freezing cold, and work out. I'm doing 3 seconds down, just because you build a little bit more muscle in the eccentric. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.